This your baby's talking. Talk there, baby. Oh, look at him stand up. Oh, look, he can stand up. Look at that, he's standing up. Oh, baby's standing up. Oh, oh, he fall down there. Oh, the little baby. Look at that little baby. Look at that little baby. Oh, my, my, my. Look at that little baby. You gonna talk? Yeah, what are you saying, little baby? What are you saying, little baby? What's this little baby saying? What's this baby saying? Oh, yeah. By the way, the thing says, when I say the thing, I mean this here, the instructions. It says to do not massage the crop when the crop is even half full. Now the reason I'm doing the feeding is because Mama packed him full of hard seed, and I think it was going to kill him if I didn't step in. She'd been doing it consistently since Sunday, and it was Tuesday morning. This morning, Sunday night, he had digested this stuff, or actually just passed through his system. These hard seeds he didn't digest because he's been passing a lot of hard seeds in his see, there's a dropping right there, and it's got some hard seed in it. Spread this out a little bit. You'll see undigested seeds in there. And he did cough some up. He worked some, he spit some up. That was good. That would be better than them having to go through a system like this. But anyhow, making progress. I'm just not gonna let Mama, probably just not gonna let Mama feed him anymore, because that seems to be what she's doing. The baby's singing a song. The baby's singing a song. She is. Look at him. Look how big bird he is, sitting up. Sitting up all by himself. Him is sitting up, erect, all by himself. And doesn't even have his face touching the floor. Doesn't even have his face touching the floor. He is using his butt, but hey, you know, progress. Progress. Oh, little baby's talking. And he's doing good maintaining his body heat. Not going to ask him to do that whole lot. Not going to, you know, I'm going to keep watch and stuff like that. Don't want to see him shivering. I want to see little quakes going on. No, so happy guy.